trying to assess the damage here. I mean, that wind was so bad yesterday. How we didn't lose power, I don't know. Man, we get some strong winds up here. It was all snow yesterday. Now it's turned to, it's probably 45 degrees. It's supposed to be like 50 today or something. It's just crazy how quick things change in the New England area. It's crazy. My whole driveway is basically a sheet of ice. It's all gonna melt away and be a complete mess. But everything looks good in the barn. It didn't get blown around too much. All the animals are still around. I'm still gonna take a look at the fence, make sure the fence is all set. As you can hear probably from my voice, we're still sick. And from what I'm seeing, it's supposed to be like this all day too. So not really much I'm gonna get done today. Hopefully we have a better day tomorrow because then I can get some stuff done. That, for the pig shelter, I have a, that's 16 by 10, 10 by 16, 16 by 10. I don't know how you say it. Anyways, that's gonna be coming next week. So I gotta lay some sort of gravel down for that and try to map out that, the way I'm gonna set them up. It's confirmed. We're gonna get we're gonna get a breeding pair. So we're gonna get a gilt and a boar, cooney, and we're gonna get 2 barrows to keep them companies because again, the gilt and the boar cannot be together. So that's confirmed. I don't know when we're getting them. The lady's been awesome about it. So she's letting me get my stuff in order before I just rush into it. So yeah, it's kind of exciting. So we'll hopefully do that tomorrow as well. So still coming down in here pretty good. So yeah, so that's exciting. So that'll give us something to do for a little bit. Couple day video here, not just the next day. As you can see, and you can see that I'm still sick. Man, the donkeys just get so less feed. It makes me nervous, but everything I read says you don't want to overfeed them. Been trying to be good about it, but you feel bad they don't get a lot. Try to fill some of these up rather than put them all away. They say not to like fill up these food barrels like out in the open because for some reason they break into the barn or they get out of the barn or get out of their area, come into the barn. They could flip that over and just eat all of it. But I don't have a lot of storage, so I gotta fill a little bit up. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the rest of these bags away. Then I'm gonna show everybody where the setup that I'm thinking, for these pigs. So I don't know. Let's put these bags away and I'll show you guys. All right, well, thinking about putting the shed all right, like right here somewhere. So I'd like to try to line it up and see what it's gonna look like. It does have a bunch of tree cover, which is obviously great for the pigs. Because pigs don't have a way to sweat. So they, and it does get hot. I mean, it gets 100 degrees here and you're 90 degrees or whatever, and they're gonna get hot. So probably could put the shed there, maybe some sort of little, wallow in the middle for them because they absolutely need that too. But I want to space this out a little bit, see what it looks like. Come in here. You know, it would be something like that, which it's hard to see, but I think it would work. Maybe angle it a little bit this way to get rid of that big clump of stuff. I don't know. I think it would work. It's not huge space, but it's enough just for the pigs to kind of get in there and sleep and get under cover. You know, it's also a way, here's their structure right there. They have all of that over there. That'll be a nice little pasture for 2 pigs, easy. And then coming over here, another door goes out and it can get around these trees and down into that area where I have to mow, and it's kind of a pain in the butt, to be honest with you. It's a perfect spot. So I'm gonna have Billy come take a look at this tomorrow and see if this works. But if this works, I'm gonna put some gravel down. I have some gravel over there. I'll put some gravel down on it, and we'll be ready to go. I've ordered a bunch of fencing, Premier One, you know, pig fencing. So that'll be perfect. Yeah, I don't know. So we'll be in good shape if we can get it done. So I don't know. I'm gonna leave it like this for now, just in case, you know, Billy might have a different idea, or between both of us, we might kind of think of a different way to do it. So everyone's belly aching over here like they're hungry. Something's up with this chicken. I can't figure out what it is, but it's not with the other chickens. It hasn't been out with the chickens the whole day. I don't know. It's kind of odd. Maybe it's just doing its own thing. Ladies, 33's hair is a riot. Look at it, spikes up. How 41? You are like one of the friendlier ones. I know, I don't have anything for you. You're eating my hand, I don't have anything. I know.
Call my number, call my name. If you wander back again, call my number, call my name. We both know I'm to blame.
These chickens will find hay anywhere they can find it.
Call my name. If you wander back again, call my number, call my name. We both know I'm to
I'll tell you, the cows are definitely starting to get a little bit more friendly with me, which is awesome. You know, definitely Mo's always been pretty decent. But even the girls now, you know, the no tag 41, they all kind of come up to me now. So I've been trying to feed them like almost every day by hand, at least something, you know, just so they can try to get comfortable with me. But I don't know, it's been quite the process. Just got some more hay down by the cabin and trying to stock up while it's nice out. You know, it's really crazy to think that this is one of the bigger weekends in Vermont for skiing. And, you know, with the holiday Monday, places are usually pretty packed. Now, I'm sure that the mountains do have some snow, so I'm sure they're going to be fine. But, I mean, it's 50 degrees out right now. You know, it doesn't feel like skiing weather at all. I mean, some of this hay that I bought last year from somebody else, I don't know if the person didn't know what they were doing or what, but the hay bales are barely tied on. It makes it a wicked pain. fine.
Country lane,
This guy's almost too friendly.
coastal plain,
I don't know if that's a thing.
endless views that we're passing through.
Or what, but
Making our way to a distant place, just us two.
again, these bulls don't get to the point where they're, 2,000 pounds. So even if he's too friendly when he's like full grown, it still could do something to me. But
Watch the sky fade into the
seems to
night.
be a pretty good boy.
With you, my arms, nothing can